Derek the mechanic here. Today I'm working on a 2003 Chevy Tahoe, two-wheel drive. I was called out today to do a wheel bearing. There's a new wheel bearing there. What the problem was, a lot of people don't know, these go bad and they shake. You can pretty much move this one with your hand, but his wheel was about to come off here. It was real bad, but they're really easy to do. I do them all the time. I do a lot of front end stuff, ball joints, tie rods, axles, CV axles, all that stuff. So I was called out to replace this here. There's a new one. But what these do is cause it to shake real bad. If yours is doing that, if you got a Tahoe or a Suburban or Escalade, then you probably need to replace this here. This is called a hub assembly, wheel hub assembly, which everything's packed in here, your wheel bearings and everything. You buy it all in one piece, the hub assembly. And it's 3 bolts actually. They're not hard to do yourself. 3 bolts. Get the rotor off, of course. Take your clips off so you can get your rotor off. Of course, take your caliper and your brakes off. Set it up top. You want to come through, get all your 3 bolts out. And these pull out real easy. Sometimes you just got to bang them out a little bit. What I do is use a dead blow rubber mallet to bang. I don't use nothing, no kind of hammer. I use this so I won't damage no parts. And they come off real easy, man. And installation is reverse. You just put it back on, bolt everything back up, and you're done. But now where I'm at now, I'm gonna get these 3 bolts out and remove this old one, and then I'm gonna install this new one the same way, reverse order, and put everything back together, be done. But if your vehicle is shaking, if you have one of these, a Tahoe, anyone from about a 2000 on up, Chevy Suburban, then you may, if you're having real bad vibration problems, you may need to replace this, the hub assembly. That's where your vibrations come from. Your bearings are gone. So if you're in the Central Texas area, just give me a call at 512-851-6165. You know, I come to your house. I do it all, man. I come to you. I do it. Good prices, you know, on stuff like this. Way cheaper than the shops. But yeah, like I say, these are real basic these are basic. If you're a mechanic, these ain't hard to do. All right. Thanks for watching.